Alright, so this is my Ranger XP 900. I've got an ignition switch issue. When I turn the ignition on, watch the speedometer. Well, it's not doing it now. Yeah, there it goes. If I just barely touch the switch, turn the lights on, I just barely hit the switch. It's weird. I think it's a bad switch, but it'll start. Maybe a bad switch, I don't know. That's fine. Actually, let's see what it does. Ooh. If I turn the key, it turns off. Interesting. Alright, so this is the switch that I took out. This is the old switch, made in Mexico. Part number is 4012165. But when I was pulling this thing out of the dash, this thing just came apart on me. But anyway, I found that the two outer pins have connectivity, but when I barely turn this, I lose connectivity on them. I think that's why I'm losing power. So I've got the switch on. So here's the switch off. I'm measuring the two outer pins and turn the switch to the on position. I get connectivity, and then when I barely touch it, I lose connectivity like that. You can't, well yeah, you can see that. So now, yeah, so this switch has had it. Anyway, I bought a new switch from Anzac, Ignition Keys, Trailblazer Brother. I don't know. So this is the new switch. This was $8.99 on Amazon. Just like the old one. Feels getting heavy. Feels every bit as. Feels good and tight. Put the new ignition switch in. I got the brand new key. Whether it will start. The on seems to work. Press the brakes. I press. Put a little tension on it. Yeah. Seems to work. And before I could do this and it would turn off. So that's good. Good. That's good.